Riwruok mar sirkal UNDP kod Microsoft oyayanga chenro mar miyo puonj makende mar teknolojia mamalo ne apisas mag fwambo gi keyo. Kane giwuoyo romo mane obagi Kenya School of Government, jagoro mongirore migawo mar tudruok Stephen Saboke owacho ni chenrono geto miyo puonj ma opuodhi ne apisas mag counties kod sirkal mamalo maneno gitiyo maber gi lony manyasani. Omedo ni nyaka sani apisas mokalo 11,000 osekalo e tiegruok no, mana ni dongruok omedore pacho ka.
Digital and AI skilling is therefore not just an afterthought. It is a necessity for Kenya to remain competitive in the global economy. My State Department for Broadcasting and Telecoms is keen on leveraging the country's expanded digital communication infrastructure to strengthen government communication and information by capacity building. And our goal is to ensure that every ministry, department, and agency has professionals equipped with modern tools and the digital literacy needed to engage our citizens. Government has made a decision that all public officers will actually go through, for example, AI training. AI is a new norm in every sector. We talk about a government that's actually looking at transforming this economy from a third world economy to a first world economy in our generation.